You mentioned that we should send a request to our subconscious mind, and one method you mentioned about through visualization we can send a request. So I just wanted to know that there can be some other methods also to send a request to your
Yes,
subconscious mind.
there are. I mean, एक चीज सोच के देखो ना, आप किसी चीज को बार बार मंथन करते हो, let's say you're thinking for a longer period of time, just keep thinking for it. And thinking क्या करोगे? तो अभी when we are right now thinking, most of the time our thinking is happening in terms of impossibility. Let's take an example. You wanted to run a business. I'm just giving you an example. You want to run a business, okay? Right now also you're thinking about a business, but where is the thinking going? In terms of scarcity. This is not working. Pandemic is there. I don't have capital. I don't have this. I don't have this. I don't have this. So your visualization is happening only in terms of negative things. So what is exaggerated? What request is going to your subconscious mind? Okay, there is scarcity. There is nobody who will help you out. So finally, what is the outcome you're getting? No opportunity for you.
Yeah.
So what you should do rather is think aggressively about the outcome which you want. Think in terms of outcome. Slowly, some solutions will also knock to your door. Don't say no at least first point. First research karo, first samjho, and don't go by negative opinion. Have some discussion, then get into it and you will see some. Never wait until you get 100% answer. 30 to 40% answer मिल सकता है अगर आपको, और अगर जानलेवा रिस्क नहीं है, get into it. That is the way I have learned in my life, and that's how I have transformed my career from different dimensions. And foremost, if challenges are coming, don't run away from it. And don't also panic on it. Spend some time, adapt yourself, learn new. See, after pandemic, I have to learn digital marketing. I have to learn starting to create flyer. I was not at all interested in doing video editing, but I realized in pandemic, I cannot do a face-to-face session anymore. I have to somehow figure out what to do. I have learned Adobe Premiere. I have learned Canva. I have learned so many things you have no idea. I was thinking, how will I do Zoom session where I do not know anybody? How will I connect with them? My first few sessions in Zoom, I was just talking and people, I don't know whether they're listening or not, but I hope they're listening. But then I realized there has no zero engagement. I have to also learn how to do online sessions.
How to decrease the inferiority complex, sir? Because like if we feel we are low, we cannot think good about ourselves. I think that inferiority complex is the main thing which doesn't allow the person to think good about them.
Absolutely. Inferiority complex comes when you are seeing somebody, rather than getting inspired, you are comparing. Correct or not? That's what happens with you. The reason we get into inferiority complex is because we compare somebody's strength with our weaknesses. That's where it is. Now, if I call looks point of view, John Maxwell looks much smarter than me. Tony Robbins looks much smarter than me. I may not be smarter, but I understood one thing for sure. Any business you do, any work you do, you can only impress people with your looks from outside for some period of time only. I can influence people with my good English only for first 2 meetings. By the time I get involved in their personal life, and if I'm not able to solve their problem, even if I'm a good communicator with all the good dialects of English, I will not get my solution. People will not follow me beyond that. Is my purpose only to get fan following, or is my purpose to solve people's problem? There was a big difference. Initially, I was looking for fan following, but then I realized with fan following, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. The day people will start looking me as a solution provider, if they can reach out to me, then it doesn't matter whether my English is good or not. It doesn't matter whether my face is looking beautiful or not. What matters is, Baba, can I solve people's problem? Because they will pay me money for that. They will not pay me money because I look beautiful or my English is perfect. The day I got this clarity, trust me, I started enjoying myself.